guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be going over my top 5 products that was from the advent calendar for this year 2023 by STYLEVANA. If you want to hear what my 5 favorites are, then stay tuned. All right, you guys. So basically in this video, I'm going to be going over my top 5 products from the advent calendar. If you missed that STYLEVANA advent calendar, if you want to go check that one out, I know I heard they were going to be bringing it back. They have a few more that they're going to restock one more time. So hopefully if they do and you guys are waiting to grab one, you can snag one because that is my favorite advent calendar. STYLEVANA does not mess around when it comes to their advent calendar. It is jam-packed with full-size products, all like skincare, beauty care. It's just your whole skincare routine could be good for you, and you could even use things for gift ideas. It's just, I love their advent calendar just because of all of the items that they put inside. So if you want to check that out, definitely you could see if it's still available or if it's back available. I will have them all linked down below. You can definitely go check them out. So that calendar was sent to me for review. I did that video on the day of launch to show you guys everything that was inside. But since then, I have been finding myself using the same 5 products all the time. So I wanted to tell you what my top 5 products are, my go-to staples pretty much to start my own routine every night. So the first thing that I absolutely love and what I start my double cleanse with is this product right here. This is the All Clean Balm. I absolutely love this. I always start with a cleansing balm. You can use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, but I always tell you guys I prefer the balm over an oil all day long. Even though I'll use both, I prefer the cleansing balm. That's just my own personal preference. So with this one, you just start with a dry face. And a little bit literally goes a long way. I'll just scoop up a tiny little bit onto my nail, and then I'll rub it around in my warm fingers to kind of like break it down, get a little bit like easy to maneuver on my face. So you break it down a little warmth like this, and then my makeup is mainly just right here. So I just whoop-de-woo, whoop-de-woo, and then I go into like my eyeliner and my mascara to break all that up, add a little bit of water, and then use my makeup eraser just to wipe everything off, and my face is pretty much clean. In the shower, I do end up using a regular cleanser, so that would be my second set of my double cleanse, but this is the first, and this is like the most important because this gets like everything off. If I did skip this step and went straight to the shower and try to use a regular cleanser in there, I come out looking like a huge raccoon. I have black shit everywhere. It is not pretty, and then it's even harder to get off after I'm out of the shower and tried to clean what was there. So I always start, if I have any makeup on my face, I always start with a cleansing balm first. That is just how I start it. It's amazing. I love this stuff. I don't know what it's made out of, but it definitely breaks down all of my makeup and I have no issues afterwards. So I start with this. That's what I start with. Then out of the shower, once I'm done with my second cleanse, then I use my toner, whatever toner. I have several different toners. I always just mix it up. My face never pretty much gets the same toner consecutively because I have so many of them, I just rotate. So any toner would be good to use. And then after I'm done with my toner, then I start with this product right here. I absolutely love this serum. It's the Vita B3 Source. I just love this. I just open this up, squeeze a little bit out of the product on here, run it around my face, mix it all in, rub it in, let it dry, and oh my gosh, this just, I like this. This one here, it says that it's to reduce dullness and uneven skin tone. It is a 40 ml. Again, I absolutely love this product. I start with this one, and then I use a moisturizer. One of the best moisturizers in this box is by Porito, and it is right here. This one here is the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream. I love a good water cream, a deep cream, moisturizing cream, anything like that. I absolutely love to put on my face. It always feels so good the next day. My skin is always so soft and I just feel rejuvenated to start my day. So this right here is a staple in my nightly routine because I absolutely love this water cream. So again, after my serum is dry, I put this guy on my entire face and go to bed, and then it's nice and soft the next morning. But I also love this eye cream. So after I have this on my face, I will take this and just go in my eye contour area. And I use this guy right here. This is an amazing brand as well. I don't know how to say it, but every time I see that image, I know exactly what brand that is. And I love all of the products that I have used, and that goes for this as well. This is a really great rejuvenating eye cream. This is what it looks like. I just take a couple pumps. It's like a yellowish type color. And another thing that I've realized, and I don't know if it's just in my head, but to me, like for example, if I'm super tired, I'm getting out of the shower, it could be 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And if I have like red under my eyes because I'm super tired, with this yellow, it kind of counteracts the redness to me. So when I put this on and I look like I'm all red and puffy, like I'm just like, I feel like it takes the redness away with this type of a color on my skin anyway. So I always feel like I look like I've got like a lot of sleep, even though I'm still so tired and I haven't gone to sleep yet. But again, it's just with that like yellowish color. To me, it just kind of breaks down the reddish tone in my skin. And I think it looks really good because then I don't look like I'm super tired, even though I am. So I love this eye cream. And again, I like it because of the color of it. To me, it's just either it's in here or it's really doing it. But to me, once I'm done using it, it does not look as red under my eyes anymore. So I really like that. Plus, it just feels really good. And I love a good eye cream for my eye contour area. So then once I have all that done, I've been loving this hand cream. I've been using this like on my hands and my elbows. I just really love this hand cream. It smells amazing, and it is the Forest Moonlight by Farmstay. Hand relaxing solution leaves delicate and soft impressions like perfume on dry and rough hands. Aromatic healing perfume hand cream comforts tired body and mind. Again, it smells really good. It's a white cream, and again, it just smells really nice and just fresh. So you can put this on and then you feel nice. It does. It just smells like a nice, like clean, a fresh, like soap smell. It just smells really nice and refreshing. So I've been using that at night, again, on my hands, my elbows, and I just feel really nice and soft and hydrated. It feels really good. So those are the 5 products that I'm constantly reusing every single, like pretty much day. Again, I start with the cleansing balm, which I don't start without that if I have any type of makeup on my face whatsoever. And then I'm really loving this serum with this water cream, especially both of them together. And then have the eye cream. And then I use the hand cream to make my hands feel nice and soft, and then jump into bed. And it's just, that's just my nightly routine. Even when I get into bed with this, my man is always like, "Ooh, you smell so good." I'll put like here and even like rub the side of my neck a little bit. So then it just smells really good. There are 2 other items in here that I have been using a lot, and they're both lip products. So I'm going to call this just like my bonus number 6 and 7 that I really love from this calendar. This one right here is by Fruitia. I love this brand. All of their products are like fruit based, and I am a fruit hoe through and through. So once I was introduced to this brand, I could not stay with them any like faster. I just love everything about them. And oh my gosh, speaking of like a moisturizer, they have the best moisturizers, and they're all fruit themed. I've used their toners. I've used so much products from them. So this is what came in the calendar. I just really like it. Again, it's just something that just nice and like, especially even before I go to bed, I always put some type of a moisturizer or a lip like balm or something on my lips. So it just comes out like this, and you just put it on your lips. Again, it just feels nice and nourishing. So this is one that I have been actually using at night. So once I'm all done with my skincare routine, like I said, I always put something on my lips before I go to bed. I don't get into my bed with dry lips. It's just something that I've always done. Even when I was way younger, I'd always put Carmex on my lips at night. Again, it's just something that I've always done, same pattern, so I just stick with it. The other item is right here. This is the Non-Sticky Dazzle Tint by Unleashed. It is a really pretty color, and in the advent calendar video, I didn't try this on. I did put it on my hand, but since then I've actually used it, and I really do enjoy it. So here's what this one looks like. It's like a nice dark, kind of like a burgundy-ish color. Then when you put it on your skin, It doesn't stain too much either. Like, it did come off my hand without like staining my hand when I did that on camera. It wasn't on very long, but it just has like that little tiny bit right there of the stain. And now I will put it on my lips to show you guys what it looks like. See? It'll dry down a little bit and just keep you with like a little bit of color. So I actually really do enjoy this one. Plus I like the color of it. So there's that. So now that is everything that I have to say for this video. Again, I wanted to go through my top 5 of the advent calendar. Gave you a little sneak peek to 6 and 7. They're both lip products and I really do enjoy them. So I wanted to throw that in there as well, not just the skincare. So those are now my top 7 products from the advent calendar, even though they were all absolutely amazing. These are just what I've been using on like a staple routine pretty much ever since I opened it. So just wanted to touch bases, let you guys know what I've been enjoying so far. If you guys did grab this or you do get it, let me know what your favorite products are going to be. Do you know any of the brands? Do you like any of the ones that I'm choosing as my favorites? Definitely let me know. I will have them all linked down below if you would like to go to the description box to go straight to STYLEVANA. And again, INF10 Shecrafty will save you that 10 to 15%. If you ever want to check out my website, that is the one place that you can find all of my discount codes. You can find out more information about me, my animals. Everything is in one easy place for you guys, but you can always go to shecrafty.com at any time. You can send me a message, see my address. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.